I know y'all learned this in the past, Lainey, but I want to go over it and make sure you have it written in your journal. How to change between a mixed number to an improper fraction. A mixed number is a number that has a whole number and a fraction. Has a whole number and a fraction. For our example here is 3 2/5. The number 3 2/5, our whole number is 3. And we have our numerator of 2, our denominator of 5. So that's more than 3 but less than 4. 3 2/5 of a pizza. Okay, so that means you ate 3 whole pizzas and then 2/5 of the other one. So you might see it written and I gotta figure out how to divide it into fifths. Okay, so that would be all of this, all of this, all of this, and then 2 of these. That's 3 2/5. So 3 wholes and part of the 4th one. Fred, what? I haven't asked a question yet, so I don't know what you're answering. But I haven't asked a question yet. Okay, if you follow the process to change from an improper or from a mixed number to an improper fraction, your denominator is always going to stay the same. So let's write this over here more to the side. This is our process every time. If they give you a mixed number and they say change it to an improper fraction, if they give you a mixed number, they say change it to an improper fraction, you're always going to keep the same denominator. Denominator stays the same. To find your numerator, you take the denominator that you have times your whole number, add your numerator. If you follow that pattern, and see, this is where algebra is actually awesome because it makes it easier for you there. Because now all we're doing is plugging in the numbers for these letters. So if we take this problem here, we're changing mixed number to an improper fraction, 3 2/5. Following the pattern, our denominator is what's going to go on the bottom. It's the same thing. It's 5. Our numerator is made up of our denominator, which is 5, times our whole number, which is 3, plus our numerator, which is 2. And then if you solve that, 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17, and so you get 17/5. So basically it's just following that exact pattern every single time. And I know you know how to do this. I just wanted to make sure you had it because I want it in your journal. So if you ever have to refer back to it, you have it in your journal. That's why I had you write all this down. You follow this exact same pattern every time. It doesn't matter how big the number is. Let's say we had even if we had the fraction 89 and 463 1/1000ths, you'd still do the same pattern every time. Your denominator would stay 1,000. You would have 1,000 times 89 plus 463. That's really very easy. 89,463?
Yeah.
Okay, you just follow the same pattern every time. Ladies, you just follow this same pattern every time. So if you know when you're going from a mixed number to an improper fraction, this is what you do, then you're going to be fine every single time. So that should be written in your journal, table of contents. You should have mixed numbers to improper fractions. Addie?
I just forgot all of this over the summer.
Good, that's why I'm having you write it in your journal now. That way you have it. So when we get back from Christmas, if you have something to do, then you don't like
I forgot all of it over Christmas break when I was eating the bread pudding.
What is bread pudding?
I don't know.
Oh, it's
Wait, do you have a
it's
Christmas
bread
party or not?
and cinnamon.
Or
They
not?
make that?
Do I? Yeah, on Christmas Eve I had people come over.